Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you all one smoothie recipe and that is chia seed smoothie. I have taken 2 spoons of chia seed and then add little bit of water to it and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Chia seed are high in quality protein and it delivers a massive amount of nutrients with very few calories. It helps you to lose weight also. And I am using organic chia seeds. To make this smoothie, I have taken some fruits. You can use any fruits what available in your home. Take a blending jar and add some soaked chia seeds, some apples, some strawberries, some bananas, some kiwis, and add little bit more chia seeds. Then add 1 spoon of brown sugar and 1 spoon of curd and little bit of water to it. And then cover the lid and blend it well. Chia seed smoothie is ready.